Since childhood, of all the days of the week, Sunday had a special place in my heart. Till today, when it's Sunday, it's that special feeling which I cannot express in words. Sunday has been like a freedom day of my life. I always love to spend my Sunday being free, not working, and doing the things that I like to do. This week, I had planned to visit a shop for some home decor shopping and was super excited. But it started raining suddenly, better to call it a cloudburst. It was so heavy that the visibility was minimum. I did not feel like going out. I felt like nature wanted me to stay home. So all I did was cook and not complain. So today I will show you guys what I eat in a day and share few recipes that you might like trying. For breakfast, I'm going to be juicing fresh carrots. Juicing 5 carrots and adding about an inch of ginger for slightly peppery and sweet flavor. Carrot juice is packed with benefits from improving your skin to boosting your immune system. A glass of carrot juice every morning can lead you towards good health. Then I'm making the simple and flavorful tomato sandwich. To make that, take about 5 to 6 sun-dried tomatoes soaked in oil. You can get this from any store. I got mine from Maxon. Then add half cup of basil leaves, handful of almonds, 3 to 4 garlic cloves and little olive oil and blend it into a smooth paste. You can make this paste and refrigerate for about 10 to 15 days. Then take bread of your choice and spread the filling generously and add some veggies like cucumber, tomatoes or any veggies of your choice. I am adding pickles here, then add mozzarella cheese or any cheese of your choice and place onto a grill. Then close the lid and let them cook until the cheese is beginning to run out and you can see grill marks on top of the bread. If you're grilling them in a pan, place a heavy plate on top to smoosh down the sandwich. This sandwich tastes so good. It has that tomato flavor along with a little bit of crunch because of the almonds. For lunch, we thought to get some pizza home, but it was boring and we dropped the plan of going out. And Kiran asked me if I could make a simple veg thali. So here I'm making curry chawal, roti and moringa leaf ka sabji. To start with curry, I follow this simple recipe. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour, half cup of curd and whisk it into smooth. Then take half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder and salt. Again, whisk it so that there are no lumps. Add 1 chopped onion, half ginger, 3 garlic. Next add 3 glass of water and whisk again. Now heat a kadai, add 1 tablespoonful of ghee. Then add half tablespoon of methi seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 red chili. Once it starts to crackle, add half tablespoon of hing and pour in the curd mixture. Stir continuously till it gets a boil. Now lower the heat and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Keep stirring in between so that it does not stick to the bottom. While that's getting cooked, I will make moringa sabji. This moringa sabji is not very common where I live, but I see a lot of trees here. Last month, my house help bought me these and I've stored it so that I can keep making variety of dishes now and then. This leaves us rich in calcium. Now coming to the recipe, I am taking 1 cup full of drumstick leaves and washing it thoroughly in enough water and separating the stems and the leaves. Next, heat a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or you can even use coconut oil. Throw in half tablespoon of mustard seed, half tablespoon of urad dal, curry leaves, and when it starts to sizzle, add 1 chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Saute for 2 minutes and then include the drumstick leaves. Let it cook. While that's getting cooked, take about 1/4 cup of fresh coconut and grind it. Then add it to the sabji and add salt as per taste and let it cook for about 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Our moringa sabji is ready. After 30 minutes of cooking kadhi, switch off the flame. Then heat a tadka pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Once they crackle, turn off the heat and add half chili powder. Stir and immediately add this tempering on top of the curry. Then I quickly made some hot rotis and rice. This lunch thali is best when you're too lazy but still want to have full proper meal. If you try any of these recipes, do let me know how it turned out. I usually like having black coffee in the evening along with some snack, but since it was raining out, I thought why not make some hot chocolate. But Kiran can't skip his evening chai, so I'm going to make chai for him and hot chocolate for me. I'm sure you guys have your own way of making chai, and since I have never tasted chai, I will not share how I make it. So here I have a simple hot chocolate recipe. Heat a pan, boil some milk, add chocolate powder and little sugar, and add an inch of cinnamon stick and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then use a frother and whisk it. Pour to a cup and add some chocolate shaving on top and enjoy. Bored of having veg, I decided to make quick chicken curry and rice for dinner. This is the easiest chicken gravy I make. Take about 250 grams of chicken, wash and clean it. Heat a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 big spoonful of jeera. When it starts to crackle, add finely chopped 2 onions and fry it. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook till the onion turns translucent. Then add half cup of tomato puree and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala and salt and cook it for a minute. Then add chicken. Give it a mix and cover the lid and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1 glass of water and salt as per your taste and cook for another 10 more minutes. Then switch off the flame, sprinkle some coriander leaves on top, and our yummy quick chicken curry is ready to serve. After dinner, it was our movie night. We watched a movie called Searching on Netflix. I would rate this 8 out of 10. So that's how I spent my Sunday at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I will come back soon with a better content. Till then, take care, stay safe, and get vaccinated.